What is the recommended process or steps for dyeing gray hair blonde without bleach?
Welcome everyone to today's video where we'll be exploring how to dye gray hair blonde without using bleach. Dyeing your hair can be a fun and creative way to express yourself, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid damaging your hair. Luckily, there are safe and effective ways to achieve your desired blonde look, even if you have gray hair.
Why avoid bleach?
Bleach can cause significant damage to your hair, stripping it of its natural oils and proteins. Over time, this can lead to brittle, dry hair that's prone to breakage. If you have gray hair, your strands might already be drier and more delicate than they used to be, so it's even more crucial to avoid harsh chemicals.
What do you need?
Before you get started, you'll need to gather a few supplies. High Lift Hair Color. This is a special type of hair dye that can lighten your hair by up to 4 shades without the use of bleach. It's a great option for gray hair because it won't cause unnecessary damage. Developer. This product will activate your high lift hair color. Choose a volume that's suitable for your hair. For most people, 20 volume is a safe choice. Hair dye brush. This tool will help you apply the dye evenly. Gloves. Protect your hands from the dye with a pair of disposable gloves. Hair clips. These will help you section your hair for easier application. Timer. To keep track of how long you've left the dye in your hair.
How do you dye gray hair blonde without bleach?
Here are the step-by-step instructions. 1. Mix the hair color and developer. The ratio is usually 1 to 2, 1 part color to 2 parts developer, but always check the instructions on the box. 2. Divide your hair into sections. Use the clips to hold the sections in place. This will make the application process easier and ensure the dye is evenly distributed. 3. Apply the dye. Put your gloves on, then use the hair dye brush to apply the dye to your hair, starting at the roots and working your way to the ends. 4. Wait for the dye to process. Again, follow the instructions on the box, but generally, you should leave the dye in your hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. 5. Rinse your hair. Use lukewarm water and a gentle shampoo to rinse out the dye, then apply a conditioner to keep your hair moisturized.
Any aftercare tips?
Yes, absolutely. After dyeing your hair, it's essential to take care of it properly to maintain the color and keep your hair healthy. Use a color-safe shampoo and conditioner, avoid excessive heat styling, and consider using a hair mask once a week to give your hair extra nourishment. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to dyeing gray hair blonde without using bleach. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so it might take a bit of trial and error to get your desired results. And don't forget, if you're ever unsure, it's always best to consult with a professional. Enjoy your new blonde look and take good care of your hair.